How to create Payoneer account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about creating Payoneer account. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to launch a web browser and then go to payoneer.com. Now once you're in the official website, tap on the register that is beside sign in the top right corner of this screen. To get started, you need to first enter your name in the first field, followed by your last name. Enter your phone number and then enter your work email. Enter your registered business name, then enter your website address. Go ahead and select your country. You can also describe more about your business. Go through all the on-screen instructions. Check the box if you want to receive communication from Payoneer regarding products, promotion, and events, and then tap on Next in the bottom of the screen, which is highlighted in black color. Remember that Payoneer supports international business payments and not intra-country or personal transfers. So that's it for this video. So this is how you can sign in or create an account on Payoneer. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.